Does the main Saudi index get upgraded to emerging market status by the MSCI in June?
I think it does. I mean, the inclusion is long overdue. It's one of it's a big market, and with the reforms we've seen in the last couple of years, it really does deserve to. And I think in June we'll get that announcement from MSCI that Saudi is coming in. Obviously, it won't be immediately because that's not usually the MSCI style, but that'll be a flag to a lot of investors to look a lot more carefully at the Saudi market.
It is a decision, however, that's solely not dependent on what oil prices are doing and short-term capital flows. It should really depend on whether we are seeing real material reform momentum in Saudi Arabia. How would you characterise the pace of reforms, Koon?
In the last couple of years, it's been quite impressive in terms of what the Saudi government's been trying to do. And you can really see it when you visit ministries, when you visit the central bank. There is, you know, the people you're talking to are a lot more enthusiastic. The people you're talking to are different. And that is really spreading around the economy as well. So you've had that justification for bringing Saudi into the index. However, you know, these index providers, they do take feedback from their clients, and their clients would like to be getting involved in a market where the fundamentals are supportive of higher prices. So the fact that we have had higher oil prices has certainly given a little bit more push for MSCI to bring Saudi in.
What's the risk of the Saudi index underperforming after the MSCI upgrade if it does happen? Because typically and historically, that seems to be the pattern of events.
If it does happen, it should be temporary because you've got this long lead time before we actually get into the MSCI. So you're likely to say in June, we're going to bring you into the MSCI in June 2019. So in that lead time, that's going to give investors a chance to get involved into the market, and passive investors, especially ETFs, will need to take exposure. And there's quite significant money that could be coming into the market, because if it goes into the MSCI, it's likely to have something like a 2.5% weight, which is a decent amount, and that weight will go up if and when Aramco has its IPO.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.